Have you ever dreamed of writing a book but felt overwhelmed by where to start? What if I told you that AI, specifically ChatGPT, could help you write your book from start to finish and even guide you on how to sell it? In today's video, we're going to explore how you can use ChatGPT to craft your book and turn it into a successful product that can make sales. The first step in writing a book is brainstorming ideas and creating an outline. ChatGPT is perfect for this. Start by asking ChatGPT for potential book ideas based on genres you're interested in. For example, you could type, "Give me 5 ideas for a science fiction novel," or "What are popular themes in self-help books?" Once you've picked your idea, the next step is outlining. ChatGPT can help you break down your story into chapters, create character profiles, and even suggest plot twists. You can ask ChatGPT, "Help me outline a 10-chapter thriller novel," and you'll get a solid framework that can guide your writing. Now that you have an outline, let's move on to the writing process. You can use ChatGPT to write full chapters or sections of your book. The AI can assist in various ways, whether you're stuck on dialogue, need help describing a scene, or want to get a head start on the actual writing. For example, if you're writing a romance novel, you could ask ChatGPT, "Write a conversation between the 2 main characters after their first date," and let the AI generate a scene for you. Of course, you should edit and personalize the responses, but ChatGPT can take a lot of the heavy lifting off your shoulders. Not sure about grammar or word choice? You can even ask ChatGPT to revise or proofread certain sections of your book. Just paste the text and ask, "Can you improve this paragraph?" Once the first draft of your book is complete, the editing process begins. ChatGPT can also help here by identifying areas to improve or suggesting alternative phrasing. You can ask ChatGPT, "How can I make this paragraph more engaging?" Or "Does this chapter flow well?" Keep in mind, AI can only get you so far, so consider combining ChatGPT's suggestions with input from professional editors or beta readers to give your book the polish it needs. Editing is a critical part of ensuring your book stands out, especially if you plan to sell it. With your book ready, it's time to format it for publishing. You can ask ChatGPT about the best self-publishing platforms available, like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or other ebook services. You can type, "How do I publish a book on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing?" and ChatGPT will walk you through the process, from setting up your account to uploading your manuscript. You can also ask for tips on book cover design. For example, "What should I consider when designing a book cover for a mystery novel?" Once your book is formatted correctly and uploaded, it's time to think about marketing. Writing the book is just half the battle. Now you need to sell it. ChatGPT can help you create a marketing plan, draft promotional material, and target the right audience. You can ask, "How do I market my book on social media?" Or, "Can you write a blurb for my book's Amazon page?" For instance, ChatGPT can draft social media posts, email newsletters, or even a compelling book description to help entice readers. You can also get tips on setting the right price for your book by asking, "What's the best price point for a self-published book?" Consider running ads on platforms like Facebook or Amazon, and ChatGPT can help write ad copy as well. The goal is to create a buzz around your book to get people talking and, most importantly, buying. In conclusion, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool to help you write, edit, and market your book. From brainstorming ideas to crafting a finished product ready to be sold, AI can simplify the entire process and turn your dream of becoming an author into reality. If you've ever thought about writing a book, now's the perfect time to start. So, what will your book be about? Drop your ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to use AI to enhance your life.